This video tutorial I will explain how to get and select the collection and delete one document in the collection using find one and delete method. The find one and delete method allows you to retrieve a document and delete the document in a single atomic operation. Here you can see order database. It has a product collection and it has three documents. We will see using find one and delete method how to retrieve the document and delete the document in a single atomic operation. Here I have defined the class find one and delete document. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I am creating a Mongo client object using a Mongo client constructor which accept host name and port number. Then I am calling get database method of Mongo client object and passing database name as order. And this method returns order database object. Then I am calling get collection method of order database object and passing collection name as product. This method returns product collection object. Then I am calling find one and delete method of product collection object and passing the filter criteria. Product name is Alexa. So what this method will do is it will retrieve the document which has product name as Alexa and also delete the document. And here you can see we got the document and also in product collection the particular document will be deleted. Click on refresh, you can see the document is deleted.
You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.